program, the Air Force and the Navy brought their finest pilots to fly against the MiG. They all lost their first engagement. The program, however, ultimately successful. We learned to fight against the aircraft, and it was indeed the MiG-17 that helped create and This was the primary enemy aircraft that engaged our American fighters over Southeast Asia, going toe-to-toe with the F-105, the F-100, the A-7, the F-8, the A-4, the F-4, and even the B-52. Its Klimov VK-1F engine produced about 6,500 pounds of thrust, including that of two 23mm cannons and a single 37mm cannon mounted on the nose. It was indeed the efforts of those top single programs, such as Operation Have Drill to reverse engineer and understand these aircraft, that ultimately helped save American lives. And because of our knowledge and understanding of these jets, our kill ratio in Vietnam increased from some 2-to-1 to some 14-to-1. Up until the introduction of the General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin F-16 Fighting Falcon, the MiG-17 was the tightest turning fighter in the world. Watch now from the left for the minimum radius turn.
Shall at any time be liable to do duty in the forces garrisons of the United States, on the seacoast, or in any other duty on shore, as directed by the President. In this special